Did the Ukrainian drone attack on Tula city signal a new escalation in the war? This bold strike inside Russian territory shocked many and could mark a dangerous turning point you need to understand. The drone attack on Tula city is significant because it demonstrates Ukraine's growing capability to strike targets far beyond the front line. Tula is a critical military-industrial hub located about 193 kilometers south of Moscow. This attack was a clear message that Ukraine's forces can reach strategic locations previously thought safe. It shows a shift from conventional frontline battles to more asymmetric tactics involving drones. This escalation could force Russia to divert resources to defend its own territory, changing the war's dynamics. By attacking Tula, Ukraine stepped into new territory, literally and strategically. This act can be seen as escalation because it challenges Russian dominance on their home ground. It raises the stakes and could provoke Russia into increasing military pressure or adopting harsher tactics. On the other hand, Ukraine may use these strikes as leverage in negotiations or to disrupt Russian supply chains. The risk is that this tit-for-tat could spiral into a more intense and prolonged conflict. The Tula drone attack highlights how drone technology is transforming war. Ukraine has increasingly relied on drones for reconnaissance and precision strikes. These unmanned vehicles allow hitting high-value targets without risking soldiers' lives. The ability to reach deep into enemy territory with drones adds a new layer of complexity to the conflict. It forces defenders to develop new countermeasures and changes how battles are fought, making drone warfare a central feature of this war. The drone attack on Tula city is more than just a headline. It signals a shift in how the conflict is fought, with drones extending reach and raising the stakes. This could mean a more intense and unpredictable war ahead. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.